Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my another branch video. So in today's video you can see I have three special guests,
Yes, we
and
agree.
they are the superstar in my village. So today we are going to know something from them. So especially today I'm going to talk about the importance of learning English and how students they can actually learn English language. So today we are going to know. Okay, so first of all I'm going to move Tariq Islam Sani. So, what's your opinion about any students, how they can exactly start their English journey and what they should do exactly?
Okay. So my first suggestion will be that if anyone want to start their spoken journey, first of all they need a one instructor, a good instructor, a tutor, so that from their teacher they will get so many guideline, and by
Yeah.
following guideline they will be highly benefited, I think.
Okay,
Amazing.
thank you very much. So now we are going to our teacher, Khaled bin Saleh sir, and I would like to know actually why actually as students they are unable to speak English. What is the main reason? Can you please explain more?
Oh, thank you very much for giving the opportunity. I'm really happy to have the opportunity, right? I'm waiting for utilizing the opportunity, okay?
Yeah.
So, there are many reasons, guys. We know students, they are unable to speak English. Like, they don't have a spoken trainer, right? Guys, you have to understand that spoken and academic education, it's totally different.
Different.
Two things, like actually, it's not similar to the academic education, right? We have got a huge syllabus of academic education. The teacher, they get tired to fulfill this syllabus.
Yes.
What about the students? Okay, so I think uh, we need a expert, at least expert or normal spoken trainer who will be training us continuously, because without keeping touch with the teacher we can't be able to speak English. This is the first condition that I want to share with you. And the second thing, the students of our country, they don't have much vocabulary, right? Actually, they what can I say? They are in loss, right? They don't utilize their time properly, so that's why, and they're not fond of learning vocabulary, right? You know that when you have to speak English with someone, you have to know a lot of vocabularies. At least, if you think minimum 2 or 3,000 essential vocabulary. Absolutely, you need a specific instructor, who will be showing you the how you can use such kind of vocabulary that you can achieve with with a view to learning or speaking English. Third thing that I want to share with you guys, environment. Oh my goodness, you cannot get an English environment, right? As a Bangladeshi student, think about yourself.
Yeah.
Have you got the environment?
No, no, no.
You have to create your own position.
Yes.
You have to create environment by yourself. How
Yeah.
can we create? By speaking yourself, by making video, or by practicing in front of the mirror, right? So I think we don't have proper environment. So as a student, as a Bangladeshi student, actually nothing to do. You have to nothing to do, because you have to create your own position by performing your what can I say, your excellent, right? You have to do so. And already I have told 13 teachers instruction, because a teacher is the nation builder, right? They can make us educated. We don't know anything, like our parents, right? The way parents are guiding us continuously, in the same way our teacher are making us educated continuously. We are grateful to all teachers, those who are serving us, right? We are grateful to all the teachers, and great salute all the teachers. They are doing good performance,
Yes.
undoubtedly. And already I have told three things. Second thing is enough vocabulary, and they don't know the process of making sentence. And third thing, I have told you environment. So I think these three things is the main obstacle, and most of the students, they are afraid of speaking English. What the people think about my speaking, yeah, they are afraid of making mistake. We have to believe that making mistake is a part of our learning. Okay, let's move on into Limon. What Limon want to say about the obstacle of our Bangladeshi students? Limon, actually, what do you think? Why the Bangladesh people they don't speak English properly, confidently?
Oh, thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about this topic. And I think everyone faced this problem. That is, they don't know from where they should start their English journey. Especially, they want to speak English. Everyone, when I asked anyone, everyone is excited to speak English fluently. Like American, like British, like foreign countries people, they want to speak, but they don't like to practice. They don't like to learn the process how to speak English. And if anyone do any course, it will be better at the beginning moment. I think everyone should do what can I say?
Spoken course.
Yeah. In real life, spoken course they have to do.
Yeah.
If,
Most interestingly, I was completing a course from Gajipur.
like
I
this
also,
way.
yes.
Like this way, everyone should complete one course from anywhere.
Yeah.
It might be a small institution or big institution, it doesn't matter. But if anyone can complete one course, it might be 1 month or 3 months, they will get the perfect method to practice, to learn how to they will be increased, how they will be increased, and how they can go ahead, how to learn the process they will be get from this institution or from his teacher or instructor. And if anyone after completing 3 month or 1 month course, they unable to speak English, I know it, they won't be able to speak properly. But if they continue like this way from their own self at least 1 year, I think at least 1 year, if they continue like this way, and
It's possible.
to speak English,
Okay,
because on online
thing,
also.
One thing I would like
Yeah.
to interrupt. Just if you give me only 3 things that you want to share, 3 obstacle.
Okay.
I mean bada in Bangla. So why?
Everyone don't
What is the
like to
first one?
practice. Everyone don't like to practice.
Okay, this is the obstacle, first obstacle.
And
yeah.
also they don't like to make conversation with other. They don't like make conversation.
Okay.
And thirdly, they feel shy to speak English.
Okay, 3 things you
So,
have told.
These are
told
3
us.
things everyone faced when they want to speak English. At the beginning moment, I also faced, so that's why I got this point.
Okay.
So that is the thing.
So how you can inspire the youngster, right? There are so many youngsters they are waiting to take suggestion from Limon, from Sani, from Mahmoud. So what do you want to say about them?
So I think if anyone can speak English, their academic level as well as their academic grammar level will be easy. The way I was learning grammar, I can't understand anything. What is the sentence meaning? But when I started speaking, right now I'm speaking, so that's why I can understand more than before. I can understand better the grammar process, how to grammar build.
My goodness.
So
Amazing.
these are things.
You have done a good performance. So I'm just waiting for the rocket performance, Mr. Torikul Islam Sani. Okay, Sani. So how you can become a rocket performer? Okay, what would be your suggestions for the young generation? They are waiting to take suggestion from you. What do you want to give? Only one thing that you want to give?
Okay, so from our education level, many of we are trying to learn something new from YouTube channel or Facebook. There are so many, what can I say, sites are available to learn English, right?
Yeah.
And as a Bangladeshi, we are learning or we are watching so many videos how to speak English, how to overcome our shyness, something like that, right? And you know, most of the students, also me actually, we are trying to after exam, my exam will be held after 1 month. So in the 1 year, I didn't practice a lot, but I think that before 1 month, maybe I will be completed all the thing. And people are called it's a legend after completing their exam. When they will pass their exam, they will think that, oh my god, I'm a legend, right? So speaking maybe like that, if I will implement my legendary method, I think I will be able to speak English within a very short time. But it's not possible. We have to complete. We have to practice a lot. We have to repeat a lot. Like one sentence I eat rice every day. So we have to repeat a lot again and again, thousand times. And after that, it will be
To get out
set up.
fluency, yeah.
It will be set up our mind.
Yeah.
Right. But if you are thinking that, oh, yes, I have got the point, I eat rice every day. Right. So if you want to implement, or if you when it comes to using this sentence, you will not be able to use.
Oh,
So you
yes.
have to repeat a lot.
That means your main message is to the audience that learning is a continuous process.
Right.
We have to practice continuously. Never stop learning. Right. This is the Sharmormo.
Yes.
I mean the summary.
And one sentence we have to repeat again and again.
To get
When
our
you become
fluency.
fluent in one
Yes.
sentence, then
Because
we have to
they are watching. We are teachers are telling them that you don't need to memorize structure, vocabulary, something like that, right? So without memorize, how is it possible to remember all the thing? So that's why we have to repeat.
Oh yes, okay, thank you, Mr. Dorigul Sani, to say something about the what can I say about important suggestion for the youngster. Right now we are moving, Mr. Mahmoud. What will be your suggestion for the young generation? Yeah.
Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity.
Yeah.
So we all guys know that
Try to make it
if
boring.
we want to learn English language, first of all, we should love it.
Yes.
Okay. So without loving, it's really impossible to learn anything. It might be anything. Okay. So
We
I
should
think,
have love.
Yeah, obviously.
Whatever
When
we are achieving
Yeah,
or
when I
learning.
started my English journey that time, actually I loved to learn English language. So that's why it's possible. Right now I'm speaking in front of camera. Okay. So the first thing is that we all should love whatever we want to learn. Okay.
Yeah.
And secondly, we should set a clear goal. What we want to do.
Yeah.
And you know that in our Bangladesh country, there are many students, they just say that I want to learn English, but they don't take any action, right? So that's why I can say it's really easy to say, but difficulty to do.
Right.
So what we have to do, the way
have
we
to
are
take
speaking,
action.
the way we are actually sharing our story with our friends, that one day I will be speaking like native speakers, but we are not taking any action. So how can it possible? So I think the way we are speaking, we are sharing our thoughts with our friends, we should also take action, so it will be very easier for the students especially. And thirdly, we know that if we want to learn any languages,
Yes.
we all have to know the 4 basic skills, and
Yes.
that they are, and you know, the first one is listening, and the second one is speaking, and the third one is reading, and the fourth one is writing. So I think when I suggest my students to learn English, so I usually suggest 2 things. The first 2 things, and the first one is listening, and the second one is speaking. At the first time, if they take action for 3 months or 6 months, if they just try, if they focus about 2 skills, so it will be very easier for the students to learn English language. So fourthly, I can say you need a great environment where you can make conversation with your friends. My brother already, my teacher, he has shared that we need an environment, but you know, environment, anyone won't make an environment for you. You have to make by your own self. How we learned, we made our environment by our own self. Like I told Limon to start his English journey, and he has started, and then we are practicing. Like this way, we have started. We have made our environment. So like this one, you have to figure out who is very excited to learn English, and then you have to make conversation with him. If you need to inspire him, you have to inspire him, right? So I think if we just do such types of things, so within very short time, it will be easier. It will be possible for all the students to learn English language within very short time. So that's all about this topic.
আরে ওরা কারা ইংলিশ কি ইংলিশ কি বলো তো
Who are they?
ওরা এত সুন্দর করে কিভাবে ইংরেজি বলে এটার ইংলিশ কি বলো
How they can speak in English? Like
right
I don't really know what to be.
how they speaks very nicely, amazing. So thank you so much. If you want to learn English, আপনারা video continuously দেখার চেষ্টা করুন. You try to watch the video continuously. I think you will be highly benefited. And if you want to get the 4 speakers together, you have to come to English
Come to English message. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very
Then
much.
you will get us ultimately. So they are the examiner. Sorry, examinee. HSC examinee. Their exam is going on. So pray for both of them. আর আমাদের জন্য দোয়া করবেন যাতে করে আমরা so that we can make lots of videos for you. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Don't
alaikum.
forget to like and subscribe.